Hey guys, if you'd like to see how I went from this old busted wash and go over to a cute wash and go with a nice little braid on the side, keep on watching.
Yeah.
So first I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and I put Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic all over my hair. I would suggest a leave-in with a little more slip, but you could also use this leave-in. I'll explain why later on in the video. So right now I'm just taking the time to detangle my hair and get all the knots and hair strands and all of that out of there. And I'll leave all of the products in the description below if you want to know anything that I've used. So now I'm just running my fingers through and making sure everything is really detangled. And now I'm going to go in with my holding gel. So this gel is what's going to really give me the curls and the longevity that I'm looking for. Uncle Funky's is more of a moisturizing gel, while this one's more of a holding gel. And this is optional, but I'm going on top with Bamboo Ginseng Curling Glaze. This product is really good for people who are dealing with places that have a lot of humidity, because this serves as an anti-humectant. So when it's humid outside, your hair won't get all frizzy. So now what you're going to do is put a rectangle on the side of your head. This will serve as a part and also as the size of the heart braid that you're going to be making. And this is how my hair looks wet, and I'm going to come back with my hair fully dried and ready to start braiding. So get ready, y'all, because it's going to be a lot of geometry and a lot of shapes, okay? So first you're going to split that rectangle in half. These will serve as both sides of the heart braid that you're going to be making. And the first thing that I'm doing is I'm cutting out that part at the top. The goal is to make a very sharp looking heart at first and then smoothing it out after. That makes it easier for it to be even and perfect. So this is how the section looks, and then I just swooped off the top corner, and that made it really easy to have a perfect heart shape without having to struggle, because I'm gonna be real, I am not a professional hair braider, okay? So I need all the help I can get. So starting off with really sharp lines and then smoothing them out makes it way easier. And the last part is just cutting out that little piece on the outside, just so that way it can have more of an inward heart shape and it's not going straight down. Honestly, it's pretty optional, but you know, I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I wanted to make sure I got that piece out. And now I'm doing the exact same thing on the other side. So I am not a professional braider, so I need all the help I can get. I applied some edge control to the parting so that it can look more sharp and clean. And this is how the first side looks. This will be the under braid. It'll make sense in a second. And this is the other braid that I'm going to walk you guys through. So I made a section right in the middle of the part, so that way it can have that empty space that you see in that picture. And also I'm breaking off a little piece so that way it can start off really sharp. I know that it's probably going fast. Please feel free to pause if you need to, but you want to take your time with this, okay? But as you can see here, I was struggling. So Uncle Funky's is really sticky and it makes it hard to braid sometimes, honestly. Now I wanted my heart to cross over and not just fall straight down. So I grabbed the curl from the front as like an anchor so that it could move forward and on top of the braid, if that makes sense. And now we are all done. This is the next day. This is how my wash and go is looking. It's bouncy, it's elongated, the braid still looks cute. Is it perfect? No, but it does the job, you know. So I liked it, I loved it, and I hope you guys do too. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, any videos you want to see next time. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.